Kamusta? This is your Kuro Kaeru. So, for today, do you remember that we talk about the right leg doon? Today, this is gonna become where, saan, S-A-N. Wait, san. Yeah, you can also use san, but it's S-A-A-N. Saan. Just get the sa from the said, then think of an, like an, then mix them. Saan. You can say it now, right? Saan. Where. It means where. Saan means where. So this saan word, you can use it for object or place. Like for example, you lost something, you just say saan. S-A-A-N. Where? Saan. Then you can also use it like for place. Where is that place? Saan. So basically, saan is like where it's gonna happen. Saan. S-A-A-N. Saan. Alright, I'm sorry for that. My thought is kinda. Saan. Yes, you say saan. It means where. Oh, you remember the na, right? If you say nasaan, yes, you say nasaan. Where is my? Yes, nasaan. Like, where is it? Actually, where is it is the actual meaning of nasaan. For example, you lost your glasses. Like you're in the Philippines, and then you like gonna search for your item. You just say nasaan po. I added po so you can be respectful. Yes. Only if you're talking to an elderly or someone older than you can say po. But if it's someone younger than you, that's quite a little bit weird. Unless you know the person, you can say po to be respectful to them. Yes. You just say po or opo, which is right. So let's get back to the saan. Saan is where. So basically, you know how to use where, right? So basically, it's the same. Yeah. If you use saan, it's where. It can be used to objects, place. It's basically where, the saan. So yeah. S-A-A-N. Sorry again. My voice was kinda weird again. So basically, saan is where. So this is your Kuro Kaeru. Bye bye. Peace.